Hello everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Alright, so we just arrived Disneyland and we're gonna check both parts today. Actually, three places. The Grand California Hotel, just check out some of the dessert, and DCA and Disneyland. And hopefully we can find some of the exclusive St. Patrick's snack and dessert today. Okay, let's go. So I just want to show you guys the St. Patrick's Day snack here. This is the whoopie pie, so cute. And that is the Mickey. And this one too. Whoa, so cute. I think I want to get one of this.
That looks like.
And look at this. This is for the Oscar. Oscar! Oh, that's for the Easter one. So cute. Oh, that's the Easter bunny. So cute.
You want ranchada?
Here they're hosting an Oscar movie night, I guess. Oh, that's really cool. Maybe should take a selfie with this. So we're here at the Corn Dog Castle and getting the green hot dog. Hotling green. So we'll see how this tastes like. Can I get a cup of water too? So we got the St. Patrick's Day corn dog, and they say that it's the same thing, just the batter is green, that's all. So let's take a look. Actually, I'm going to do it this way to show you guys. It tastes just like regular corn dog, but just green, that's it.
Only today?
It was just really okay. Oh well, now we know. Whoa, look at the shadow. We're like Peter Pan. We can fly. Like crazy person here. Such a beautiful day today here. It's about 75, 78-ish. And it's gonna drop the temperature down to 62 around 9 o'clock tonight. But so far, it's beautiful. You see, there's quite a few people wear green. I was gonna wear some green myself, but I don't have anything green. Oh well. Wow. All right, so we are doing a mobile order at Rose Tavern, and this is what we want, the green stuff. They changed the name. Sometimes it's gray stuff, sometimes it's a red stuff, and it's just a mint chocolate on top. How cool is that? That's the way to order food now. I see what else they have here. Nothing special, it's all the same thing. Okay, just that. Yep, okay, so we're gonna get that now. Review order. Review order. And we get 15% off, so that's good. Let's check the Candy Palace, see if any green cupcake stuff. Yes, they do. They have one. That's the only thing that's green here. Let's come over here, look at the cupcakes. Look, we saw this at the Grand California Hotel, and the green cupcake here. And there's another one right here with a little green on the top. That's cute. Okay, let's go pick out our food now. Now we know. After a couple weeks of closing of a Royal Theater, now it's opened. I don't see any difference. I thought for sure there will be something different. Oh, they removed the. Remember, there was a bunch of gates in here, so the princess can stay inside. They remove all that, so now it's just a tent. So that means this may be open for a mini show here. I can't wait. Oh, it's chocolate. Usually it's a red velvet cake, but this is chocolate. Ah. Okay, let's try it. Wow, this is really good. Green peppermint and chocolate. Better than the red velvet. Wow, this is yummy. This is better than the hot dog. You like it?
Too sweet.
Too sweet? Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoy eating this green stuff here with me at Disneyland and DCA. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!